Moving in Boston can be challenging, from unpredictable weather to tight streets and limited space. That's why smart movers turn to secure storage solutions to keep everything organized and stress-free. Professional storage gives you flexibility during a move, whether you're between leases, renovating, or just need extra room. Your belongings stay safe until you're ready for them. Boston's top facilities use 24/7 video surveillance, alarm systems, PIN access, and on-site staff to protect what matters most. Climate-controlled storage shields furniture, electronics, art, and documents from Boston's humidity and winter chills, so everything stays in perfect condition. Climate-controlled storage shields furniture, electronics, art, and documents from Boston's humidity and winter chills, so everything stays in perfect condition. Choose the storage option that fits your move: short-term units, long-term plans with discounts, convenient portable containers, or full-service warehouse storage with professional packing. Better Life Moving keeps pricing clear and booking simple. Get an instant estimate, confirm online or by phone, and schedule pickup or delivery that works for your timeline. With secure, climate-controlled storage and expert movers, your Boston relocation becomes seamless. Trust Better Life Moving to keep your belongings safe and your move stress-free.